Hi everyone, Scott here with SoftTech Systems. I'm going to show you how easy it is to use the check-in, check-out app on your iPhone today. We're using an iPad to take advantage of the larger screen. Before we get started, I wanted to tell you that the app will remember your login credentials so that you won't need to enter those every time that you want to use the app. So we'll tap the icon to get started. That's what the app looks like. Swipe left to see everyone's comments and statuses. And you can scroll up or down to see everyone's information. Swipe the other way to return, or tap Me at the top of the screen there. So let's sign ourselves out for lunch. And I wanted to tell you that the return time and return date are optional. You can leave those blank. So we'll select lunch. And your receptionist can add new sign-out choices or modify these, the current ones. And we'll tap Done. Now if you aren't going to enter a return time and return date, tap Save Info to save your changes, and you're all done. So we'll go ahead and enter a return time. We'll tap the empty box, and you'll notice in the bottom corner it's displaying the time. Tap that time to bring up the selector, and we'll return maybe a little bit after 12. Tap Done. And let's enter a return date. Again, tap in the empty box. And you'll notice the date is displayed in the corner down at the bottom. Tap that to bring up the calendar. And if we were returning tomorrow, we would tap the 15th, but we're returning today, so we'll just put it back on today's date. And we'll tap Done. And you can enter unlimited length comments on the comments line. It'll wrap to the next line. So now you'll want to tap Save Changes. That saves all of your information there. And let's go ahead and sign you back in. That doesn't take but a second. Very easy to do. We'll select In, Done, save the changes. So we're back in. If you're using a web browser to update your status, you'll see the same information but in a different format. This is what it looks like. So that's all there is to it. Thank you for watching. Email us if you have any questions. Bye-bye.